Welcome in Sabah's world. Today I am going to start a topic that is related to maths, that is HCF. HCF means highest common factor. If you want to find out the HCF of any two number, let's take an example like 15 and 30. How we can find out the HCF of these two numbers? Highest means highest number, common means common values, and the factors of this. So first of all we will find out the factors of 15 by prime factorization method. In prime factorization method we just take the prime numbers here. हम हमेशा प्राइम नंबर्स ही यहाँ पर लेते हैं. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दिस 15, दिस 5 इन दिस वंस प्लेस. यहाँ पर क्या है 5 है, सो दिस नंबर इजीली कैन कट बाय 5. So 5 3s are 15, then 3 I will take 3 here, and then 3 1s are 3. So the factors of 15 will be 15 factors of 15 will be 5 into 3. Next I am going to find out the factor of 30. So first of all, like at this ones place, this is an even number. So I will take even number. The even number always cancelled by 2. So I will start with 2. So it will cancel by 15 times. 15 आ जाएगा. Okay. Then next we will see if we will use the divisibility test. Then that will be very easy to find out the factor of any of the number. In this number, at last digit 5 is given, so it can easily cancelled by 5. 5 3s are 15, and then finally 3. One main thing that we always have to remember, that we should always take prime numbers. We should not take composite numbers. We should always take prime numbers. So the factors of 30 will be 2, 3 and 5. The factors of these two numbers 15 and 30 is 2, 3 and 5. Then we will find out the common factors. Common factors. Common factors. In these both of the numbers, only this number is common, 3. So the common factor is 3. And this 5 and this 5 is also common in this number. This 5 and this 5 is also common in this number. So we will take 5 also. And the multiplication of these 3 and 5, multiplication of 3 and 5 will be 15. So finally the HCF of this number will be 15. Now next again I am going to take another example in which I am going to take 3 numbers, HCF of 3 numbers. Let's take 12, 30 and 45. Okay, so I am taking these three numbers. So first of all, again we will take out the factors of this 12. 2, because this number is even number, 2 6 are 12. Then again the 6 is an even number, 2 3s are 6, and then this next I will take 3. So 3 1s are 3. All these numbers should be प्राइम नंबर ही होने चाहिए, कॉम्पोजिट नंबर हमें नहीं लेना है. नेक्स्ट आई एम गोइंग टू टेक 13. Again this number is even number, so it will cancel by 2. It will cancel by 15 times. This number ends at 5, so it can easily be cancelled by 5. 5 3s are. Then I will take 3 1s are 3. Okay. So next I will take 45. This number ends at 5, so I will take 5 9s are 45. 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. In next step I will write down all the factors of 12, 30 and 45. The factors of 12 is 2 and 3. Factors of 30 is 2, 5 and 3. Factors of 45 is, I will take 3 and 5. So 3 and 5. Then next I find out the common factor. First of all, I will find out the common factor. Common factor in these all, we have to look that in all three numbers, common factor should be there. Common factor, which of the number that is common in all three numbers. Let's check from 2. 2 is here, here, but not in this factors. Not in the factor of 45. Again I will check 3. 3 is here. This 3 is also there in 30 and 3 is there in 45. So common factor will be 3. And then start with 5. 5 is not there in the factor of 12. It is the factor of 30 and also of 45. So 3 is the common factor, and finally it will become the highest common factor also. HCF of 12, 30 and 45 is 3. Fine. So friends, if you like this, so watch this video and like it. Thank you.